Hello, I am Vadani Ariyam. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to reduce tax problems for your small business. The owners of small business and the freelancers become terrified of the tax liability when it comes to file the tax returns. When you start a small business, you need to be aware of the tax liability and also possible claims of your expenses. To make the correct claims, it's important to implement proper accounting systems and do the accounting work properly. Otherwise, by the end of the year, when you are ready to calculate the tax liability, you will have problems. Particularly, the filing system has to be in order. As a business owner, you have to update your knowledge about the tax liabilities and the claims you can make for the business expenses. And to assist you, you get the support of an accountant, to get the consultation with an accountant to know about these things. I show you the ways to reduce tax. These are some of the ways I can show you. Hiring staff for your business. When you hire staff for your business, you can hire self-employed people because you can save money on payroll tax, national insurance contributions and things like that. And also you can employ your family members so that you can reduce your profit and you will not be a higher taxpayer. That is a benefit you will have by employing the relatives, family. Hiring staff, deferred income. So you are getting good sales and good money, and the sum of the monies when you are about to get by the end of the year, that is when the tax period is ending, you can postpone the income. You can tell them to pay a little later, or you can postpone the income and pay it after the period is ended. Then you can pay the tax for the following year. Maybe your business might not be good, and it might help you to pay in the following year. But to do that, you have to get the advice of the accountant, because they will have to look at the profit and loss account company and maybe the corporation tax as well. Then charitable donations. You make charitable donations. When you make to charities donations, you can include that in treat that as an expense, so you can get away from paying tax on that. Reduce your income. Maximize your office expenses. Before the end of the year, just by the end of the year, buy whatever you want, the equipment and other things, pay all the bills, other things and everything by the end of the year. That will help you to reduce your income as well. Then maximize the expenditure on equipment and office supplies that I have told about. Buy in advance for a quarter and use the tax deductions allowed in the current year. Then travel expenses. If you have been travel expenses you can claim. The public transport and your mileage and the vehicle hire. If you hire a vehicle, that can be, and repairs to the vehicle, business vehicle, and you can claim. Pay all the bills due before the end of year. Payment to call, cell services, electricity and all the administration expenses, utility bills and all those, you can pay it, included for accounting and applicable tax waivers. Plan a retirement plan and make payments before the end of the year. This will reduce your income for the year end proportionately and tax due. That's a good idea as well, a retirement plan. Be sure to check on the limits. You have to check. You can't do anything and everything without checking the effect, after effect. on that. Be sure to deduct from your taxable income money paid to licensing fees, business taxes, memberships, business related organization. Be sure and deduct the interest paid on those things as well. Check whether you have deducted the management and administration expenses. You can claim for even for congestion charges, overnight accommodation when you go out. Say you are going out on training somebody, overnight accommodation, and the subsistence you can claim for that period, only for that period. Mortgage interest, business premises, rent and rates, all those lots of things you can claim. Insurance, staff salaries and subcontractor costs, advertising and marketing, all those things. And if you have made a website, cost of website and the hosting charges as well, hosting company you have to pay. If you have made a website for your business, you have to pay the hosting company as well. Decide whether a cash accounting system or accrual basis is good for your business. Accrual basis means we are selling things on credit and buying things on credit, things like that. The tax deductions are different depending on the system you see. When setting up your small business, take advice of tax and accounting professionals. That is very important as to which accounting systems would be most suitable. Selecting the suitable accounting system for your business is the first thing you have to do. Then you have to carry on working with the system. At the end of the year, prepare your tax returns to pay your tax bill. I hope you like this video. I hope this video is useful for you and hope you like it. If you like it, please share it as well. Thank you. Bye for now. I see you in another one.